Hello everyone. In the last video, we talked about the introduction of digital transformation journey. Now we will talking about the direction and the enablement of digital transformation journey. Before that, we have some guidelines in the management. We need to educate it and working on the employee awareness. So we need some disciplines inside the organization to get this transformation journey very successful. Um, we started with the guidelines. Of course, we need the leadership skills inside the organization. Of course, in the digital team is leading the digital transformation inside the organization. So we need them to have a high level of leadership skills, because in every and each transformation inside the organizations, we require people with high level of leadership skills to guarantee the success of this transformation. Of course, we need to work on the culture and the mindset of our employees, because as we know, culture is a strategy. So we need to educate and our employees about how to success the next transformation, which is very aligned with the organizational strategy. We need also to work on the corporate values and the communication. In the direction, we have three major elements, such as strategy management, value management, and risk management. Inside the strategy management, we need to collect as is data and analyze the need of the digital transformation and the maturity level. We need also to design the business vision, business model, and the integrated transformation plan. So we will reach the 2B business model canvas. Then we have to work on the organizational model and align with the risk management. Inside the value management, we need to focus on the baseline analysis, value estimation, and the detailed business case. This is very important to when you are trying to get the buy-in of the top management. You need to prepare a detailed business case. Very, very important that if you want to success or to get the blessing of the top management, detailed business case. You need to take care of every detail inside this business case. Agree ownership for the realization and the plan benefit realization. Do you know what you need to execute and review and evaluate the results, and establish the potentials for further benefits. Inside the risk management, organizations that are have risk management inside its board or its management team, it will be it will be very successful management approach to have this approach inside their organization. So they need to have their plan and is risk-based planning that will be dependent on the 360 degrees strategic risk assessment. Then they need to identify, evaluate their risks and define the risk response plan. Then they need to execute the risk management, risk mitigation plan. After that, they have to monitor and report current risks and periodically review the risk register and work on the risk management improvement. This direction is driven from the business transformation management methodology, BTM2. After the direction, we have the enablement that will be dependent on the business process management, program and project management, transformational IT management, organizational change management, and then the competency and the training management. Let's pick it one by one. Let's start with business process management. You have to determine the scope. You will not need to re-engineer each single process, but you have to make it on phases and determine the scope of the processes that you will be working on, and you have to select them and the plan for the implementation. And after that, you have to establish the improvement process. In the program management or project management, you have to pass by all project management phases. So you have to start with the governance and integration management, and you have to determine the project management scope and time and cost. Then you have to align with the quality management program, human resources management, and procurement management. Then after that, you have to report all project and the program's status. In the IT management or transformational IT management, you need to focus on the IT capability assessment and its alignment with the business capability and how it will support business capabilities. You need to do the 2P analysis and gap analysis, and then draw your IT roadmap that will be aligned with the business goals and objectives. Then after that, you need to design the solution architecture and build the deployment plan for IT. And you need to have operations and service optimization and manage the IT life cycle. Change management is very important in organizations that will apply major change or even will do a big transformation, such as digital transformation. And we need to differentiate between a change or a major change inside the transformation, such as applying a new ERP or migrating the classical ERP to the modern cloud-based ERP that will have artificial intelligence embedded inside it. This will be a major change. However, the transformation is a top-down approach, not an initiative such as ERP migration. However, the transformations should be driven from the organizational strategy and its objectives and goals. It's related to its business capabilities and how we need to evolve these business capabilities to meet our customers' expectation. So in the organizational change management, we need to start with the governance. Stakeholder management, change agent network, then communication management, performance management, and then we need to assess the readiness for a change and monitoring all the changes happened inside the organization. In the competency and the training management, we need to acquire our skills either by hiring new skills or executing a training program to inject the new skills inside the organization. And of course, if we need to build this training program, we have to make first our competency strategy and training need analysis and then measure the gap using the gap analysis and develop the curriculum that we need to be exist inside the organization, or develop the curriculum that we will need our employees to study it, because this curriculum will help them to acquire the required skills for the transformation. Then we will need to prepare the training and execute it, then evaluate and improve our competency training program. Thank you very much. In the next video, we will present for you the digital transformation driver. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Bye bye.